vehicle, Kamel would be able to file a claim against the dealer's bond to get his money back. In the meantime, we went back to Auto Wholesalers of Rockville ourselves and spoke to the owner. Storm told us he was getting ready to eat lunch and asked us to come back in an hour. But when we did, well, the gate's closed now. We called Storm and he told us he did not want to be interviewed for the story. In the end, the MVA investigator ruled in favor of Kamel and Sandra. According to the report, Auto Wholesalers of Rockville knew the Cadillac failed a state inspection in May, and Storm never provided proof that the necessary repairs had been made. The investigator also requested that Storm be charged administratively for misrepresenting the vehicle at the time of the sale. Kamel has filed a claim against the dealer's bond and is waiting to hear whether he will get the thousands of dollars back that he has put into a car that now sits parked, unable to be driven.
$4,200.
$4,200 in cash.
In cash. On top of the next day, $1,378.
So we, of course, spoke with the mechanic who passed the vehicle as well as the manager of the Shell station where he works. Neither wanted to be interviewed for our story. According to the MVA report, Maryland State Police are pursuing a 6-month suspension for the mechanic. As for the dealer, we are still waiting to hear whether he will actually be administratively charged.
That's a lot of money.
There's a lot of money, and it's a lot of hassle, and there's a lot of things that went wrong that were illegal that
kept failing, but the inspector was passing it. So, yeah, so we will, of course, stay on top of this.
I know you will.
Yes.
Wow. Well, good luck to them.
Exactly.
Susan, thank you.
Sure.
Well, let's look ahead to tomorrow's nasty weather, and we've already got some delays in Fairfax County, and it's a good thing because we're kind of out of practice driving in some messy weather out there.
Yeah, so how much practice are we going to get tomorrow?
We're going to get a lot of practice, and that's why I think the National Weather Service has issued the winter weather advisory as far east as they have, around Prince George's County and Arundel County. Even if you don't hit advisory criteria, it's going to be kind of messy really early in the morning.
Yeah, it's their way of saying heads up, we're going to be dealing with a bit of a wintry mix, but in the metro area south and east, we're talking about mainly just wet roads, thankfully, versus slick roads out there.
And let's take a look and show you where the storm is right now. Again, in toward the southeast. Again, a major storm for just about everybody. You see it, Atlanta right now. This area is going to get inches of rain, where inches of snow just around the Memphis area and St. Louis under a winter storm warning there. As a matter of fact, look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. Winter weather advisories in pink from Mississippi down towards Arkansas, all the way up through St. Louis, Cincinnati, all the way up towards the northeast. They're under winter storm watches for us. It's winter weather advisories, it's winter storm warnings all up and down the Appalachians, and it's flood watches down to the south. And that's why we think we could be dealing with some possible flooding early tomorrow morning and right on through the afternoon, because this rain, once it comes in, will be heavy at times. But tomorrow morning, starting off at 6, 7, 8 o'clock, the snow moves in. It will start as snow just about everywhere, eventually changing over to rain and possibly into ice, especially in our western zones here. That's why we have the advisories, and that's why we have the winter storm warnings. Now, how much snow can we expect? Well, from I-95 south and east, including southern Maryland, this is mainly just rain. But even here, it may start off as a brief little bit of snow here. An inch or less D.C. back towards, say, Montgomery County, but upper Montgomery County, always overperforming area. You may get 1 to 3, including Frederick County, back towards Leesburg, Winchester, 1 to 3 inches, 3 to 5 inches or more, especially if we get some of the colder air to stick around, or more back here. But it's not just snow back here. It's ice. That's a big concern. I mean, a little bit more on the impacts that each zone is going to have. Amelia's taken us zone by zone with the 4-zone forecast.
Yeah, Doug, and I am going to start in our mountain zone because this is where you're going to see the biggest impacts from tomorrow's rain, snow, sleet, potentially even freezing rain, especially in the mountains. Check it out. Here's what you can expect during the morning hours. You're dealing with potentially a little bit of everything, so it could be pretty treacherous out there tomorrow morning in areas like Hagerstown, Martinsburg, Winchester, Front Royal, down around the Luray area. By the afternoon hours, it's still cold enough in our mountain zone that we could be dealing with some freezing rain or just plain rain if temperatures are above freezing at that point. As far as snowfall amounts go, we're talking about generally 3 to 5 inches, maybe some higher amounts in the higher elevations. And then on top of that, we could have a little bit of ice, anywhere from just a very thin glaze to up to 1/4 of an inch is possible. And that could lead to some power outages in our mountain zone. And with that, cancellations, I think, are likely out that way tomorrow. Now, I'm taking